What is up, guys? Brandon here from DIY Vlogger, and this is going to be an announcement video for you guys, just so I can tell you guys what's going on, what I have planned, and things like that. So probably the worst news of this whole video is that I'm probably going to be doing videos once every other week now. So starting today, I'm going to be starting to do videos every other Friday. So I know that's not ideal, but I just couldn't keep up with making weekly videos. I'm hoping to be able to keep up with every other week, so hopefully that will give me more time to make videos. Another important news announcement I have for this channel is that I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Happy Mad Scientist, a friend of mine who has his own YouTube channel. The link to that is going to be in the description below. I'm going to be doing a really cool and very interesting video with him. It's going to take probably 1 or 2 months if everything goes according to plan to make the video, because we're planning to make a portable gaming console, kind of like the Nintendo Switch a little bit. We're going to be using a Raspberry Pi as the main brains for the console, and that's pretty much all of the information I'm going to share with you guys on that for now. But I'm probably going to be doing like update videos for that, like to show the progress of the stuff we're making, just so you guys don't have to wait like 2 months just to see what we did and how to make it. So hopefully you guys will like those videos, and I know that's a little different from what I've been doing in the past, but that's what I'm going to be doing for at least that project. I'm probably not going to be doing that for every project, but that's how I'm going to do it with this one, since it's going to take a particularly long time to make. Alright guys, well that's all I have for today. I will see you in 2 weeks, and if you do have any suggestions or anything you'd like to say, definitely leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys, and definitely leave a like or a dislike if you liked or didn't like the video. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Peace out.